Okay, so incorporating interactive content into your bottom of funnel marketing campaigns can greatly improve the way that you engage with your prospects who are right on the verge of making that decision. It's going to empower you to create really tailored experiences, convey value more effectively, and just facilitate overall a smoother conversion process. So that's going to result in improved conversion rates, more satisfied customers, and just a solid foundation for long-term brand loyalty. And our first piece of content is an ROI calculator. We use this in our own bottom of funnel marketing campaigns, and its impact really is threefold. So primarily, it provides prospects with an idea of how much money they could save by creating interactive content in Ceros, as opposed to the alternatives of using an agency or an in-house developer. This is going to help them see the value of Ceros, and they can also share it with their decision makers in their org to help justify that purchase. Second, it allows us to collect valuable data because we're going to be able to see what their selections are in this quiz. We can find out, do they use an agency normally, and how many pieces of content are they planning to create in the next 12 months? That's awesome information for our marketing team or our sales team to be armed with for future communications with that prospect. And then moving into a product demo. So we recently created this interactive self-guided product demo. We had found that there was a good amount of our prospects who actually reach a stage where they're not quite ready to request that live demo with a sales rep, but they still want to see the product in action. So an interactive self-guided product demo can really help push a prospect to convert. This allows them to get a feel for your product before committing to a meeting with sales or a purchase even. And these are especially powerful if you have kind of a more complex product, if you're in an industry like tech or manufacturing, or if you have just a huge array of services that you offer. These can be really helpful to showcase everything that you have. And the interactivity does allow you to highlight many features without overwhelming that user. And in this piece in particular, we use CTA buttons and recorded video of someone in the studio to kind of act as a walkthrough. So someone could choose how they wanted to begin their design. Let's say we want to start with a template. And then it's just going to kind of walk you through what that looks like when you're in the studio creating a new piece from a template. Once it gets to a certain part, the user is again prompted with another CTA to see how they can do the next step. So in this case, it's edit the default image and copy. But we do host this product demo. It's on our website, so anyone can get to it and interact with it. We also link out to this piece from our bottom of funnel retargeting ads for anyone who hasn't gotten into that demo with a salesperson just yet.